he's talking about.
Because he's usually forcing it a little bit.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
Or giving too much information.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, my wife, I came home and she's on the ground and because I was at McDonald's and I had the meal number 2 and I had the receipt. I had the receipt here. And I came home and there's an axe in her forehead. And I don't know how that axe got there. I did touch it just to see if I could get it out. Dude, you did it.
Megan Mullally and Nick Offerman told personal stories about the two of you being in nature, in the woods, fornicating, and that it's this beautiful act and that animals are watching you incongruous. Can I use that term?
Coyotes. Yeah.
Coyotes.
Mm-hmm.
Coyotes watched you have sex.
Mm-hmm.
Where was this?
It was in a park in Coldwater.
The Coldwater Canyon here in Los Angeles.
Yeah, so we weren't out on a beautiful camping trip. We were literally in the middle of the city.
Oh, so anyone could have opened their back door, seen you two going at it, and thrown cold water on you.
Right.
Mm-hmm. And she knew the park. She may have been there before me.
No, it wasn't my first coyote.
I can't walk anywhere in my life anymore without people saying, when does this podcast launch? Well, guess what? The first episode with Will Ferrell drops on Monday, November 19th. So, here's my pitch to everyone listening. Let's work together. I did my part. I created what many consider the best podcast ever. It is. It's in the Wall Street Journal, Scientific American, it's in Lancet, Medical Magazine. No one even heard it yet.
Sorry.
That's up to say.
Sorry,
What I'm saying is, all you have to do is subscribe. It's really simple. Go to Apple Podcast, Stitcher. You know what that is. You can go to Spotify. I'm going to make up a few. You can go to Glob if you want, and just swipe up and then to the left. Or I think we're on Doodlybox now. And all you have to do is make a swirling motion on your phone, and you'll get that and pay your taxes at the same time. I'm on Rabadab. Did you know that? Just type in Rabadab, get that app, and that will lead you to my app, which will then, both apps will fold into each other and it'll be a timeline. Anyway, do some of those things, and subscribe to Conan O'Brien Needs a Friend right now. It's going to be the best thing you ever do in your life. I promise you that. That was a mistake.
This has been
Hi, my name is Will Ferrell, and I feel awkward about being Conan O'Brien's friend.
Welcome to Conan O'Brien Needs a Friend. This is the podcast where I, Conan, talk to people I've interviewed over the years on my TV job and try and figure out what's really the deal with us. Are we friends? Is it all fake? What's going on with us? That's my quest. And I'm joined by, I would say trusty assistant. I don't think you're trusty assistant, but Sonam Mosestian. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm trusty. And hello.
Okay. And, of course, Matt Gorley, who's a podcast extraordinarian, an expert. Oh, hi. You are. You're very good at this podcast stuff.
So are you, and I thank you.
I don't know anything about it. I am just babbling, which I've done since I was born. But you have the mad skills to make sense of all of this, and I appreciate you being here.
The three of us together, we're going to get our way through this.
You were really nice to him, and you were
He's amazing.
so shitty to me.
It wasn't shitty to you.
You said, "Are you trusty?" I've been with you for a very long time,
And what?
And I think I've done a good percentage of the things that you've asked me to do over the years.
You think above 60%?
I don't